Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about SMD, network resistor, or SMD array resistor. So if you can understand actually what is resistor, so you can read definition from Google or any of electronic sources or any books. But if you want to understand and how to learn measurement of electronics component resistor, you must touch and should practical work in PCB. From that cases, I will help you in this video how to measurement array resistor or network resistor. I hope this process will help you a lot. So first of all, we are going to understand the measurement of electronics component, which is very major in electronics PCB, any type of. So that is array resistor. Array resistor means there is more than 2 pins are available. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So first of all, we starting our job today. We can see here 473, which is code or value of this resistor. 473 means if we understand the value of resistor, we can see is 47 kilo ohms resistor. Now we start measurement through digital multimeter. You can see 46.9 kilo ohm. If you understand the resistor, how to measurement, or want to see the value of this resistor, you can follow the digital multimeter display. So if you want to measurement this resistor, put or keep your 2 probe, anode and cathode, both side of this resistor. You can see 46.9 kilo ohm resistor, and this way you can put your meter probe another 2 terminal of both side of this resistor. Number 2 is showing 46.2 something. That means 2 point of this array resistor is fine. You can see also good. Number 3, third point, pin, both side of this resistor is looking 47.4 kilo ohm. That means this point of this resistor is also fine and work properly. Number 4, fourth point of this resistors showing multimeter for 47 kilo ohms 0.0. That means this resistor, array resistor totally good, which is suitable or perfect for functioning of this processor, IC. If we want to see another different value of this resistor, you can see how to measure. So follow the multimeter display and see my 2 probe of this meter. And if we follow 10 kilo ohm resistor, that means looking 10.12. that means this resistor is also good. 103, the value of this resistor means 10 kilo ohm. So if you want to understand how to calculation of this resistor, any kinds of resistor, or want to see related calculation related video of resistor, you can comment in the video inbox, comment box. If you wish to see, then totally explain. I want to see, but I want to explain for you, and you can see this video will again. So this point is showing 10.06 kilo ohm. That means this resistor also good. And second point, yes, 10.1 kilo ohm. And third point of this resistor, if you want to see the below of this resistor, 10.11 kilo ohm. So totally we almost measured through multimeter through arrow resistor is one below 47 kilo ohm, second one is 10 kilo ohm. 2 resistor of this is totally good.